The content strategy most creators are using right now was built for an internet that no longer exists, and I can prove that it died with numbers in the next 60 seconds. The strategy is teaching. Tips, tutorials, how-tos, 5 ways to grow on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. The exact content every guru told you to make. I pulled the data on my own niche, and the gap between that content and what's replacing it is not 10%, it's 100 to 1. Stick around because the fix is not post more, it's a different kind of content entirely, and small creators are better at it than the big ones. Here are 3 things that killed teaching content, and they all happened in about 18 months. First, AI made tips infinite. HubSpot just surveyed marketers for their 2026 report. 52% said AI made content easier to make but less effective. 53% said they can't differentiate anymore. Everything sounds the same. When everyone can generate 5 tips in 10 seconds, 5 tips is worth nothing. The report says it in one line. Your judgment is the product now. Second, your audience stopped asking you. When someone wants to know how to do something in 2026, they don't search for a tutorial. They ask AI, they get a personalized answer in 5 seconds. Question and answer has lost its job. You cannot out-tutorial a chatbot. And the third one is the one that nobody talks about, and it's the trust freeze. AI content is flooding everything. It's a small slice today, and every projection says it's heading toward half of everything you scroll. Some even say that half of the internet is already AI. Half. It took us how long to build the internet, and it's already at half in 18 months. So audiences flip their default. It used to be, this is probably a real person, and now it's, this is probably fake. Generic content just doesn't underperform anymore. It reads as machine made, even when you wrote it yourself. And that's the death certificate. Now here's what's replacing it. Last week, I ran a full research sweep on my own niche, every breakout post across the top accounts. The tactical posts, the how-tos, the tip carousels topped out between 20 and 140,000 views. It's decent. And then the story posts, personal experiences, opinions, transformations, 6 to 8 million views each. Same niche, same week, same platforms. That's roughly 100 times the reach. And not because the tactical posts were bad, but because they're replaceable. I don't need to go to Instagram for tactical posts. I don't need to. I can get it in my pocket with ChatGPT, with Claude, with Gemini, with whatever. And here's why this is actually the best news a small creator has gotten in years. Think about what AI can and can't flood. It cannot flood the time you lost 2 years posting daily with nothing to show for it. It can't. It can't flood what you believe that your niche thinks is wrong. The exact thing that's dying is the thing that big channels industrialized. Let's talk about the replacement strategy. Number 1, opinion and analysis, not how to do X. Here's what everyone gets wrong about X and Y. No, take the stance. The stance is the moat. Number 2, experience and story. I did the thing, here's what actually happened. Wins, failures, the weird middle. Receipts beat advice 100 to 1, literally. Number 3, results breakdown. Yours, your students, your friends, your family, your whatever, walk through a real outcome with real numbers. It's the only format AI structurally cannot fake because it requires something to have actually happened. And the litmus test before you can make anything, paste your video title into ChatGPT. If it can write your script, don't make that video. If it can't, because the video needs your life in it, that's the one that you can make. When you put this prompt into your AI and tell it to write this script, it's gonna try. You have to remain objective and read it and say, this is mine or this is not mine. If it can write your script, don't make the video. If it can't, because the video needs your life in it, that's the one you make. Your teaching doesn't disappear, by the way. It moves inside of the stories. You still teach through what happened and not instead of it. So, identity first, story-driven content second. One question left. Where does this pay off hardest? Because one platform just rebuilt its entire algorithm around exactly this kind of content, and it quietly handed small channels their biggest edge in a decade. And almost nobody noticed either. That's the next video. All my coaching and free tools and resources can be found in the description below. You can also find it at theamplifiedcreator.com. If you want help building out your content, I'm here to help. Please let me know by commenting down below, and I'll see you in the next video.